Today I'm going to give you 6 steps to create a bachelor pad that women won't run from. Remember to like and subscribe because that makes everything better. Step 1 is to clean and declutter. If your place looks like Dirty Mike and the boys stayed the night, you have no foundation to do anything else. A bottle of Windex, some paper towels, and a vacuum cleaner are going to become your best friends. Step 2 is to make sure that your place smells good. Now your place should be smelling a lot better after a good deep clean, but some odors might still linger, so this is where candles come in. My recommendation is that you have 1 candle in your kitchen and 1 candle in your living room. Make sure that the scents of these candles are pleasant and not ridiculous. There's no reason for anyone to walk through your door and feel like they fell in a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Try these Yankee candles: balsam and cedar, spiced pumpkin, and cinnamon stick. Step 3 is to have a serving tray that is always set up. You want to have at least 2 clean glasses on this tray at all times, and you'll probably want to have 2 to 3 different beverage options so that your guest has options of what to drink. Step 4 is to create a focal piece within your living room. There needs to be something interesting happening in your house. Try creating a gallery wall. This is a composition of multiple photos and artworks that come together as one piece. Now, this does not need to be a bunch of abstract paintings or artwork that nobody understands. Pick out some items that connect with you that you'll also enjoy. Do you like tattoos? Find some old vintage photos of tattoo artists working on their clients. Do you like surfing? Find some photos from 1920s of longboarders in Hawaii and mix those in with some modern photography and artwork. Vintage photos are always fun to look at, and they mix with anything. Step 5, less is more. Avoid turning your place into a storage facility for all the stuff that you've collected over the years. The key is to only keep your most prized and unique possessions out for display. These pieces will become so much more significant when they're not surrounded or cluttered by junk. Step 6, and the final step, is to organize your furniture. Do not have all of the chairs and the couches facing only the TV. Angle the chairs so that they face the couch so that you and your guests can see each other when conversating. These are 6 steps to help you clean up your bachelor pad so that women are not horrified by it. I wish you the best.